local pub round the corner from me it's just closed down. That means that the pigeon fanciers have nowhere to meet. So racing pigeons is part of being viewed in that part of that culture. They're getting old now, but they're still raising pigeons. So how are they going to meet? And how are they going to carry on raising pigeons? Because actually it's part of the pub. So in a sense, if you're not creating opportunity, if you're creating an environment where pubs are all closing down, so nowhere can meet anymore, then all the darts players, the football players, but that's all creativity. That's people coming together and making something other than would have been there if they hadn't come together. And for me, it's not just what I think is potent about putting the arts in that is that the arts are professional engineers with imagination, aren't they? So they're used to thinking like that. So that really helps the process. But it's about all the local poets and cake decorators and flower arrangers, and it's everything. That's what creativity in a city is. That's what makes it the place it is, really. And I think it's that placemaking thing is about making sure that these places that we make have that sense that it's possible to be a creative with other creatives, whether that's cake decorating or public art, you know.
I'll be really honest. I think about a year and a half ago, before this crisis, the only people that would talk to us would be the think tanks outside the profession, and some kind of, and literally this year, every institution in our country has been talking to us. And yeah, but it's nothing profound. It's just self-interest. I mean, I don't credit it with too much. It's just self-interest. But that's fine. Like I said, and it's a really good moment. If you're going to make and break it, remake the profession, this is the moment to do it. The doors are there to be knocked down. But I think, and strangely enough, you don't have to look far, you just have to look back into history. A lot of stuff is already there. It's amazing reading the original 1829 Royal Charter. It was amazing. It's there. So you don't have to look very far. Sorry about that.
I found that like with groups that I like work with or are involved with in different ways, there's kind of an inherent distrust of the suits. Yeah, of the suits and the people. And that's because it's just happened. Sort of again, promises haven't been met. It's them and us. They don't necessarily understand how the whole top thing works.
To overpromise and under-deliver, so it's as if you're being done to in time rather than engaging people in
but there's also not just the people who are sort of like renewal. You've also been working against people like the sentiment, who as soon as there's the tiniest little thing that you come up and say, well, we'd like to do this, and the sentiment say, this is going to happen, and then of course it doesn't happen because it was only a sort of very, very small idea. And of course then it's like, oh, it just hasn't worked. But a lot of people do have this thing that, oh, if it's written in the newspaper then it's absolute gospel, and haven't really grasped that idea that it's not.
I mean, it is unfortunate. Sometimes you can say, yes, we are going to try and deliver this, and then we can't because of things that are totally out of our control. You know, it may come down to funding. We aren't getting as much funding as what we thought we were going to get. So there's